In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the not enough memory to open this page error in Google Chrome. This is a common issue that many users encounter, especially when dealing with web pages that demand significant memory resources. It can be frustrating when you're unable to access content you need, especially amid something important. So let's dive in and look at a few ways you can tackle this problem. The first step is to make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Keeping your browser updated ensures you have the latest performance enhancements and security patches, which might resolve the memory issues. To check for updates, open Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, scroll down to Help, and select About Google Chrome. This action will prompt Chrome to check for updates automatically. If an update is available, it will download and apply it immediately. Restart your browser to see if the problem persists. Next, it's essential to manage your tabs efficiently. Having too many tabs open can consume a significant amount of memory and might lead to this error. Review the open tabs and close any that aren't necessary. An excellent Chrome extension to consider is the Great Suspender, which automatically suspends tabs that you haven't used in a while, reducing overall memory usage. Clearing your browser cache is another effective step. Over time, your cache can become bloated with data, which can contribute to performance issues. To clear it, open the three-dot menu again, go to More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, choose the time range, and make sure Cached Images and Files is selected before hitting Clear Data. Another tip is to disable or remove unnecessary extensions and plugins. These can often be the culprits of memory issues due to their continuous background operations. Go to More Tools and click on Extensions to view all installed extensions. Disable or remove those you don't use regularly. Checking for malware is also crucial. Malicious software can hijack your browser's memory and lead to operational challenges. Consider running a scan using a trusted anti-malware tool to ensure your system is clean. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues, you might want to try increasing the memory available to Chrome slightly by adjusting the memory allocated to graphics processing in your system settings or simply restarting your device to clear memory leaks. Implementing these steps should help alleviate memory issues in Google Chrome, improving your browsing experience. If the problem persists, it might be worth considering additional diagnostics or consulting further technical support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or further tips to share. Happy browsing!